This is so hard, Team Hatzi. I feel like I'm getting nowhere. So Team Hatzi, it was phase 2 of the 180-day challenge. I just wanted to interrupt the video with a huge announcement. Hatzi will not be selling jumpers with zippers. Why? Because of this. I asked you guys to vote if you like hoodies with zippers or hoodies with no zippers, and 78% of you said you like hoodies with no zippers. So that is what we're going to use, no zippers at Hatzi. So if you guys are enjoying these daily questions, comment down below Hatzi's daily questions and make sure you subscribe, as you might get featured in a video. So Team Hatzi, I started off my research by researching this place in my local area called Bodily Recycled Clothing. This place had no information, not even a website. They just had an address. So I wasn't going to go out there myself because that would have been risky. But they had a number, so I rang them. So Team Hatzi, I rang this number about 3 or 4 times and no one picked up either of those times. Maybe it was because it was a Saturday and a weekday, but I don't know. After that disappointment, I went back onto my laptop right here and did some more research, guys. And this, I found OCC Apparel. They were selling organically sourced t-shirts for about, let's see, $12.20. Like, if I'm gonna buy these shirts at $12.20, I'm gonna have to sell them at a bit more, like about maybe $20 or $25. So comment down below or DM me, is that a reasonable price for a t-shirt? Because I don't want to be ripping you guys off and I want to be giving you the best quality for the best price too. It's not fair I charge you too much. So then, after that, I tried to find cheap deals. Found this place called Hemp Foundation. Man, everything was just a dead end. So at Hemp Foundation, I had a look at the clothes, but the clothes did not look good. I'll show you some pictures of what the clothes look like. These clothes did not look comfortable. They looked extremely tight and just looked like it'd be very itchy to wear and just not the comfortable clothes that Hatzi are wanting to sell. And to make matters worse, it wasn't even full hemp. It was actually 50% hemp and 45% organic clothing. Like, saying it's Hemp Foundation and only giving you 50% of hemp. Like, what is this, guys? We're not buying from there, I can tell you that. But I was doing heaps more research and found this other one called Hemp Clothing Australia. Man, for a t-shirt there, it was about $70. That is crazy. So I just crossed it off straight away. Try looking at recycled cotton, as it is the most popular. Every time I looked at that, it came up with textiles. I didn't want to buy fabrics because I didn't want to make the clothes. I just wanted to print designs on them and give them to you guys. So every time I was doing this, it was just a dead end and it was just such a hard day. But I did find a good fact for you guys. 2,700 litres of water just to make one t-shirt. That is ridiculous, and that's what we're trying to stop at Team Hatzi also. So Team Hatzi, I did not find a supplier. I know, I did not find a supplier. I feel like I've failed you guys miserably. So I'm going to get up bright and early tomorrow, start researching, hopefully find a supplier. And then you guys will see it in tomorrow's video. So stay tuned for that, guys. And remember to be your best.